So I've been on a quest for fancy soaps, and I've come across quite a few that I like, and this is one of them. This is the Dead Sea Mud Soap Natural Bar from Aspen K Naturals. This soap comes with activated charcoal and therapeutic grade essential oils. It's for a face soap or body soap for men, women, teens, and it's chemical free. And the bar comes in at 4.5 ounces. So the scent of this is described as fresh citrus and sweet mint with woodsy undertones. Now this is fancy for a guy like me, but I've been treating myself to nice health care products, and actually I've been enjoying quite a few. So what's in this bar soap that makes it so special? Well, let's go down the list. Dead Sea Mud, activated charcoal, peppermint, coconut oil, organic olive oil, organic shea butter, lemongrass. Boy, that sounds like a lot. Apparently, they have other skin-loving oils such as organic sunflower oil, organic sustainable palm oil, organic castor oil. Apparently it's naturally scented with therapeutic grade essential oils of lemongrass, peppermint, and eucalyptus. Of course, nowadays you have to be cruelty free and vegan, which cruelty free, yes, but vegan, I don't care for. I just like a soap that smells good and works good. Now, satisfaction guaranteed. They're confident we will love their soap. You know what? I like it. It's pretty good. I'm enjoy using it. I'm not used to these sharply squared bars. You gotta be kind of careful with them. I kind of poke myself, and maybe I'm using it too harshly like an idiot. So that's my only concern. I'm sure it wears away at the edges after a while. And even though this soap bar is black, it does not rinse off as black, and it has a good feel. It's very oily. It takes a little bit more effort to wash off, which makes it seem extra soapy, I guess is the word. But yeah, that's my regular guy review of some fancy soap. And if you're looking for something different and something kind of that's going to treat yourself to a nice shower and you look forward to taking a bath, this is the bar.